What are you going to say? Well, hi there. Pretty proud of yourself that you got up there? Would you like help getting down? Want to get down? Do you want to get down? You want to get down? No. Can you say bye-bye? What's next? Do you want to brush your teeth? That's what Logan uses that stool for. Say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Oh my goodness, safety reasons.